Hi, in front of me is REALME Narzo 60 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Start by opening Recorder app and choosing Allow in the pop-ups if you never used it before. Now before starting recording, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings and adjust them however you want to. You need to also, after going back, click on Standard and decide which mode you need to use: Standard, Meeting or Interview. Just click on the best one to apply it and start recording thanks to this red button. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, tap on the same button. To discard your recording right away, use this X at the top left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. And to add a bookmark, click on this icon on the left with a flag. If you wish to add a photo bookmark instead, click on Photo Mark on the right. Take a pic. And to discard it, hit X on the left. Then tap on the same one to go back completely. Or take another photo and to add it, select checkmark on the right. Finally, if you wish to end and save your recording, tap on this little checkmark at the top right corner of it. Then name it however you want to. Lastly, select Save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. And to delete it though, you need to hold it and click on Delete icon at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!